Good day, everyone. Um, this video I'm making now, a lot of people will not understand me, but I know why I start making this video. As I was saying, I'm not a content creator. So I'm just doing the video just to save lives because my spirit keep worrying me, disturbing me to say something. Since 2010, I start to check the whole airline in the whole world, as I said before, to know the best airline. And I'll get one airline that is best airline. Last year, one of my friends traveled. He was complaining about the airline that he used go for vacation. That is with his family. After boarding in, they went to their destination and they come out to pick their bags. They couldn't find their bags. And when they report to airlines, the airlines tell them that, oh, sorry, we're going to look for it. Could you believe the bag then locked in airport is in Morocco? In Morocco. I'm from Nigeria. And the bags is in Nigeria. The guys, they're in Nigeria. Sorry. The guys with their family, they is in Nigeria. Why their bags is in Morocco? This airline, is it a good airline or bad airline? Think with your head. 2014, the same thing happened to one of my friends. He traveled to visit their family. The same thing happened. The airline they use, they end up, their bags is in the Turkey. What the airline, the bags go do for the Turkey? Tell me. Why the bag, the luggage is moved to Turkey? Why this owner is in Nigeria? The rubbish airlines. Why? But if you buy their ticket from Virgin Atlantic, you can never experience all this rubbish. Never. As you arrive there, you come out, stand quietly in the belt, and you see your bag. You pick your bag and go. Save. As you log it in, that's how you're going to find it. Some people complain about they come out to pick their luggages, the wheel break. They have to drag in heavy bag without wheel. If they complain to the airline, they, oh, sorry, it's people that are loading the bags, mess it up. Which people that load the bags? It's not people that you people employ. Foolish airlines don't know what is called the customer service. Virgin Atlantic cannot do that. Listen carefully. Hold your ear and go and buy your ticket. from the Virgin Atlantic. I will show you people this airline. I'm always follow them. Save. I never complain. Even I never see anybody complaining about Virgin Atlantic. I'm just telling you minor things. But I will come in to tell you people why I said the Virgin Atlantic is the best airline in the whole world. That word I'm saying will come back later. I'll keep telling you people a lot of things until I'll get to the end. Then I'll tell you people why Virgin Atlantic is best airline. I'm still not talking about them. I'm just telling you people there's so many things going on. In next video, I will talk to you guys. Thank you. Bye.